It will be the best recipe of your Christmas. I'm sure everyone will love it. For this recipe, we are going to break a container, 3 eggs, and we are going to beat it very well with an egg beater. And people are already commenting there for me. From which city are you watching us? I'm going to send you a super special hug for each of you who are commenting. Now I'm going to add a little spoonful of vanilla essence here, 395 grams of condensed milk. And we're going to mix it up really well. Guys, this recipe here is super wonderful. It tastes delicious and is super easy to make. Quickly make this recipe. I will now add 200 ml of milk. And let's mix again. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Leah from Kansas City. Thank you so much for always being with us. I thank you immensely. And I wish you a Merry Christmas. I even wish you all a Merry Christmas. I'm going to be cutting 6 loaves of bread here. This bread here is an old one, right? An old bread, stale bread that is called. I'm going to pass here on our recipe. Then just remove it in a bowl, add butter, wait for it to melt and place our breads. When it is fried on one side, just turn to fry the other side. And then only remove it when it's like this here. Very easy, very fast and very practical. Now I'm going here in a container, add 4 spoons of sugar, a spoonful of cinnamon powder, and we are going to mix all these ingredients very well. Now I'm going to spread the bread until it looks like this. I'm going to repeat the same process, and our little recipe is ready, and it's wonderful. She is perfect for Christmas. I'm sure all of you who do won't regret it. So if you liked it already, share, and see you next time. Goodbye.